Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Dan, Permaculture Food Forest. Alright, in this video, fig cuttings in containers to develop root. You know, I have 4 cuttings here that I'm going to be using in containers to act. Yeah, YouTube, so I'm going to be using, soil medium, which is called vermiculite. You know, I'm going to be using both vermiculite and perlite, and the reason for that is, sometimes you use a regular potting soil, and potting soil have all kind of living organism and stuff in it. So sometimes when that is breaking down in the soil, it actually causes the cuttings to rot. But with vermiculite, which is from a volcanic rock, and perlite also come all of, it's all natural stuff. There is no living organism in these stuff, so there's no way it's gonna rot. And if you really check on vermiculite actually promotes fast growth. Perlite promotes root development. So I'm going to use them both of those soil medium to actually root my cuttings. All right, so let's get over there, and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So if you look right here, this is actually perlite. See what it look like? Look like actually popcorn. Yep, and then the vermiculite is right here, and that also is like, it's fine. See what it look like? Yeah, most gardeners know what these stuff, and most soil amendments that when you buy soil, you see those white stuff in it. This is actually perlite. Yep. Yeah, so you could use either one too. If you want, you could just if you want, you could actually just use the perlite only, for the soil medium, or you could use the vermiculite, but I'm using both. So I put it in this corner container. I'm gonna mix both together. Yep. And remember, this promotes root development as well. Yeah. All right. I'll be back. So I'm going to be I'm going to open this. This is a strawberry verde. It's also a good quality fig. Paper broke. Yeah, I got to create a new tag for that. Right, something in that. I remember what it is. Yep. So one of the good thing when you get the figs from Ivy Organics, which his name is Charles, it comes with, look, it start growing already. It comes with the rooting hormone already on it. You could actually use honey as a rooting hormone, or you could use cinnamon as a rooting hormone, but he puts a rooting hormone in this already, so which is good. Yep. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to be using these cups. So what I'm going to be using these cups, I'm going to be putting them here with water in there. Yep, not a lot, just a little bit of water that it could absorb it and keep the cuttings moist. Okay? All right. So first thing I'm doing, I'm going to cut the bottom of this so that water could actually get in. Yeah, cut right. Guys, so easy. It says just use little cups that you have home. You could actually, so I'm gonna just fill this up. I fill this up with a soil medium. This is it. Suck it right in. See? That's all. Yep. And then I'm gonna put it here. Now I get some water to show you guys. So then this is rainwater that I have from outside. So I'm gonna just pour it in. Yeah, and the reason why I'm doing it this way is to, once the root, see it's draining all that water, so the water don't even stay, which is good. Once the roots are developing, I'm going to be able to see it right here. Yep, then I'm going to transfer it now to regular soil. Okay? So that's one. That's how simple it is. Yep, and this is actually pushing already. So I'm confident this will definitely take. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated on the progress. All right, so this is a strawberry verde. All right, let me get a pen and write that quick. I remember what is what. See right here? All right, the strawberry that here. So you see it's draining the water, right? Which is it then. What it's gonna do, this water here now, once I put this here, it's gonna absorb that water in. So I could even water even from the bottom. Good, so that's it. That's one. All right, let me do another one. I'm so excited about these fig cuttings. Yeah. All right, this is the this is Marcelli Black VS Fig. You could see that. We do the same thing with this as well. Cut the bottom right off. I tell you guys, you know, gardening is not expensive, man. People look at it as something. We make it become expensive. Yeah, basic stuff. I get an 8. What is this? 8 quart. This is the vermiculite. If you see right here, it's an 8 quart, and I got this for $4 at Lowe's. Yep, and the perlite is the same thing, $4. So got this. Let's check this out too. See? So he cut one side and he leave one side. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. The rooting hormone is on it. Yeah, I'm gonna stuck it right in. Yep. Get another cup like this. There's some rainwater. I got water right in. Good. And you know, sometimes, you know, some people may put, you know, like a bag over to keep the moisture in. You know, I might do that, but this is budding. If you see the top here, it's pushing out. So this is ready to push roots. Yep. So that's it, guys. Yeah, so I'm not gonna bore you with doing the third one. You basically see what I actually, all right, let me get my camera up. Yeah, you basically saw what I did. You know, that's basic stuff. Yeah, perlite, vermiculite. And I said the reason I do that is from watching other videos and watching Charles from IV Organics. You know, once you use this soil medium, there's a less chance for the root to be, the cuttings to get rot. You know, cause these are those rock, you know, volcanic rock that make the vermiculite and the perlite. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to keep you updated on the cuttings as they progress. All right, guys. So I'll show you. This is the cuttings. That's in the vermiculite and perlite. There's no roots yet. I don't see no roots yet. It's the coda, but there's a big amount of growth. So watching that. These, let's see. This is the strawberry verde. There's growth in this, but still no roots. Right here, I also have that. Some leaves right here as well. Right here too. Yep, so I'm still waiting on roots to actually push from these, but they're pushing growth, so maybe there's roots development. I just can't see it at this moment. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video when I, you know, once roots start showing, I'll be, you know, recording another video.